Hello guys, so today's just going to be a really quick video because a lot of you have been asking me how to import things into Goodnotes. So I'm just going to show you here. So if we go up here, you see the little settings in the top right corner. Let's click that and you want to go to notebook templates. If you want to create like a new section, you can click that little plus button there, and we will type in test. Okay, and then we want to click import from files. If you've got it in your photos, then just do it from your photos, but here it will come up with the templates I have. So I'll go into my pastel squared ones that I've made and go baby pink. There you go, and that's in there. I want to create a new notebook, and that is all. That is literally it.